horns honking, signaling their opposition to the franchise consolidation and the whole PUV modernization program. Various groups led by Piston and Manibela marching to the LTFRB headquarters, to the University of the Philippines or UP in Diliman, and Welcome Rotonda in Quezon City, up to Menjola in Manila.
Hindi po matatapos itong mga protesta na ikakasa natin hanggang mabingi ang ating gobyerno sa panawagan natin. Kung hindi man tayo papakinggan, marami pang paraan, marami pang kilos protesta ang gagawin natin.
Officials admit consolidated operators are only at over 30% in Metro Manila, but they insist there will be no transport crisis. The LTFRB has said unconsolidated units may continue plying routes in areas of concern until January 31st, 2024.
Halatang-halata naman na yung desisyon ng LTFRB na may kakulangan talaga sa pampublikong transportasyon pagdating po ng January 1. Kaya tayo in-expend.
Nag-aagawan na nga ngayon ng 100% pa, lalo pa pagkansilahin mo ang 40, 30% o even 60% ng mga jeepney sa kalsada. Sabi ko nga pipili na lang ang pasahero kung saan siya sasakay. Huwag lang nilang pilitin ang lahat na mag-cooperativize.
Piston member and jeepney driver Marcos Beredo shares one of the reasons they don't want to form or join a cooperative or corporation.
Ito po yung totoong senaryo ng nangyayari dyan sa biyahe namin, sir. 4 na co-op. Yung isa, 9,000 ang kota sa isang araw. Mula alas 5 ng umaga hanggang alas 10 ng gabi, araw-araw. Kakayanin ba yun? Sabi ko, hindi na. Hanap buhay yun, mamamatay ka dun .
Bayan Muna Party List Chairperson Nery Colmenares points out, modernization is not the problem, but the thousands of PUV drivers and operators whose franchises will be revoked.
Lahat ito ay apektado because of this obsession of government to modernize a jeepney transport na hindi kaya ng mga tsoper na bayaran ang 2.5 million na mga jeepney na yon. Kahit nga 1 million yun . Parang patanggalan mo sila ng hanap buhay dahil gusto mo mag-modernize pero wala ka namang alternatiba. Anong klaseng gobyerno ka na?
Marcos of Piston could not help but get emotional as he appeals to his namesake, the President, to heed their request.
Mr. President, kung ganyan po yung mangyayari, wala na po kaming hanap buhay. Pinoto po namin kayo. Sana, sir, wag niyo naman kami biguin. Sabi niyo, yung pangarap ko, sir, pangarap mo, paano ko mapapag-aral yung anak ko, sir? Yung pangarap ko yung makapag-aral yung anak ko, makakain kami.
Manibela and Piston are still hopeful the Supreme Court will soon release a stop order on the PUV modernization program. Kari Cator, CNN Philippines.